Welcome back, guys. How's it going? Today is the trade recap for November 12th. This is the play I took. I have to try and get this video recorded pretty quickly while my girl's in the shower. But yeah, basically at open, we didn't even like wick up or no juju swing or anything. We just dumped, which was okay because I was bullish on the day. Overall, I wanted to see some highs get hit, but I also realized that ES had hit those highs before NQ, and there was actually a large distance between NQ and ES at the time of market open. ES had taken out some of those highs that I was looking for on NQ pre-market, so it doesn't surprise me, but still overall we dumped pretty far and came down all the way, I think over 200 points, and then from there kind of just created a lot of open unmitigated gaps, and I basically just caught a little bit of a retracement. I like to see a bottom. Of course, this is after all the sell side was hit, and we were bouncing out of a 1 hour with a huge SMT at the bottom during macro. So we come down, then we finally rebalance, right? Create another 5-minute here. We resweep that low and get momentum upwards, and with a inverse very gap entry. I entered here, almost got stopped out really close because I entered on this candle here, really close, but still held strong and it worked. I took off 1 of 5 contracts here, mini or micros, and then I moved my stop loss all the way up to here. So I ended the trade about $150, and then I also took another entry on the same trade. We kind of just like rebalanced here, all the way down here or something. Yeah, because it was going to be break even, and then we shot back up immediately, and I just caught like another little re-entry off of an order block. It was only like 10 or 15-ish points, but I was able to basically get the same amount because this was about 15 points here. So I got about 15 points up here, and it allowed me to get another 150 on the day, leaving us at just over 300 on the day. And we are just under, I think we're at like 990 on the funded account now, so that's pretty good. And we checked off our third of 5 winning days to become eligible for a payout, so that's super cool. I would show you everything on the live charts, but I already have a screenshot and my girlfriend's about to come out, and I'm just trying to get this done super quick because I don't want to make a video in front of somebody. So, but anyway, yeah, that was my trade. I think we did come up, rebounce this 5-minute. This was also a 15-minute, and then from here I think there was another short continuation opportunity, but at that point it was already super late, past midnight in Japan here, so I was super tired. But yeah, other than that, pretty clean, and yeah, I'm happy with everything that I did. Super patient, waited until after 10 for all this stuff, so I really had good trigger discipline. I was patient, disciplined, and waited for exactly what I wanted to see happen, and it happened. Of course, this happened a little bit lower in the range than I was expecting. I was at open, I was kind of hoping we just kind of sweep internal sell side and then go back up, but I soon realized that we were a little bit too far off from ES. So, but other than that, that's all I got for you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll be trading tonight as well, or this morning, depending on where you are. And yeah, thanks. All right, peace out.